Okay, can you hear me now? My microphone went off there for a minute. Now and then that does. That's exactly what you do. Just let me know if it goes off. Awesome. Thank you very much. I'm going to go ahead and get started here. This is a demonstration. I'm going to show a web tour as the application sharing and polling. So this is going to be a little mini lesson here. Let's start with a warm-up. So we're going to have you guys use your pens and use the line tool, and we're going to practice drawing a pyramid. Notice I have the directions here at the top of the board. I'm going to have you start by grabbing that line tool. Start by drawing a polygon. Now remember we learned polygon. You are going to start with the line tool. Okay, one moment. Okay, so go ahead and draw either triangles, pentagon. Remember, a polygon has straight lines. I'm going to make mine with a triangle. Very good. So we start by drawing any polygon. And then we're going to choose, and I made it point A just so we're all going to the same point. We're going to put a point A somewhere not in our polygon. So I'm going to put mine above it. And then I'm going to connect with my line tool from each vertex of my polygon. Remember, the vertex is where the line Z. I'm going to have a line go up to that point, and I have drawn a pyramid. Now, for those of you that are observing the lesson, one thing that I can do is I can use my top select button. If I right-click on anything that's the voice I've drawn on the screen, I can see who's done what. So here off to the right, I see that that's Carlos. He has a nice pyramid drawn there. The middle one is Matt. He's working on his. He now needs to draw lines from each vertex out to his point A. He's working on that. And then the one to the left here, I click on that. Right-click, I can see that one is the one drawn by Luke. So that's how we can see who's drawing and give them feedback about what they have on the screen. So Luke, I'm still waiting for you to draw lines from the 4 vertices of your square and draw them lines heading to a point not on the square. So yeah, we're going to start pulling those lines from each vertex to the same point out here. Okay, now it looks like Luke's having some technical problems. He'll be back as soon as possible. And that does happen now and then in the synchronous classroom. Sometimes we do the technology. Okay, so nice warm-up, guys. We got used to drawing some of these solids. And in this case, it is a pyramid. Now notice, depending on where we chose to draw that point A, our pyramids could look a little bit harder to see in 3D. Next lesson objective is to talk about polyhedrons, identify the parts, face, edges, and vertices, and identify the number of vertices. So let's go ahead now and start with a polyhedron. Now, a polyhedron, you just drew a polyhedron. It's any solid 3D shape where the sides are polygons. So you drew a pyramid, and a pyramid is a type of polyhedron. As long as any of the sides, called faces, are polygons, then it is a polyhedron. And then using a highlighter, and show me what you think on this polyhedron. Where do you think the face is? Kind of scribble on the face. Can you draw on the face? Yeah, that's going to be the big flat surface. And I often think of an actual face. So I'll often draw a face on it, right? And that's how it helps us to remember face. Like, oh yeah, that's kind of like the face. So that's our face. Let me clear off your mark. Now show me, where are the edges? Mark either on. I would recommend using the line tool to show the edges. It's hard to get a straight line. Let's go ahead and put in where's our edges. Excellent. So Carlos is going, he's got his yellow edges shown. Good. Matt's joining in now. Very good. So our edges are the lines that we draw our polyhedron. Just like when we first did our opening drawing. You guys should. Those of you doing this lesson, you see that the students are to draw before we can draw together. And I can at any time use my select tool at the very top. Click on anything. If I right click, you can see exactly which item is drawn by which student. Okay, very good. And last but not least, I'm going to select all of those things that backspace are gone. And I want you guys now show me where is a vertex. Okay, you can just show them, yeah, it's pointers, or maybe we'll show them, yeah, and points. So vertices, that's the plural of vertex, are these points. See how we can do this interaction. Students choose different ways to demonstrate in writing how to show you what they know. The really nice thing is the distraction of getting up and walking across the room is gone. The students are at their desk. They will very quickly jump in. Sometimes it gets a little messy. If that is the case, I can take away the pencil and I can go down here and just give it to one student. So if I choose to go next to the name of my participant list, I can just add the tool to one student at a time if I don't want to do it really right. Like you see here. Okay, so we basically covered spaces. This is yellow, flat surface. It's a plane. There's that before. Edges, which are the lines that we draw to draw the polyhedron. And the vertex, that's the point of the edge. Okay, so let's go now and let's show how we could then take this lesson a step further by doing a web tour. Okay, so now I'm going to give you this website and push it out to you. And you guys, this will come up on your website. And I want you to play around with the site a little bit. But first, I'm going to show it on my computer. So I'm going to go in here to application sharing. And I'm going to share this website. Okay, now I'm going to also put this website here in the chat. So I just put the website I have in the chat. Go ahead and click on that website, and you'll be looking at the same website that you see that I have open right now on my screen. Now, what you can do with this website is kind of neat. You can choose any shape you want. If I choose an octahedron, that's a polyhedron. Octa means 8 with 8 faces. Sometimes these are hard to see. I can rotate this around and really look at it. I can click on the vertices, count how many vertices I have on the shape, and every time I click on a vertice, it's counting them up for me here. I can rotate this around, and I can count the number of vertices. So I can see that this octahedron, if I have them all, has 6 vertices. Okay. Now, to take this a step further, maybe I want to see what does this look like before I built it. If I click on the net, it's going to unfold this for me. And you can see that's what's built to make the solid. This is kind of the outline. If I cut this out and pull on all the lines, I put it together back into the solid. Okay. If I want to shade it, maybe it's easier to see that. Okay. Then I can click on the edges and I can count how many edges this has. Notice how when I clicked on that edge, 2 edges showed up. Because when I put it together in a solid, those 2 edges are together. And I'm going to click on all my edges now and count the number of edges on my octahedron. The nice thing about this site is sometimes we forget about part we can't see on the solid, and we can just kind of rotate this around. For those of you viewing this sample lesson, you can see how you can share a website, give the students a link, give them a chance to play around with it. demonstrated here on your screen. So anytime the students can toggle between looking at the online classroom, and you can give them time to go to their own site and maybe put one of these together. One of the activities on this site where they could make their own. Net and see what they could make. If you have to make your own, maybe share it with the class. So you can use these Web 2.0 tools very easily in this online classroom. Really nice. So let's go ahead and go back and stop sharing. Get back to the main classroom. Now the other way that I could share this site is I could do it here through the web sharing. And copy the URL into the web sharing. The site will come up here on the site. If I unclick the file, everybody could use the site right here from. Okay, boys, were you able to use that website? Were you able to get to that website? Okay, now the last piece, after you do some activities, I could have also sent students to a breakout room at this point, have them put different shapes up on the board, things like that. Take a breakout room. I'll show you the breakout room here. I simply create a breakout room, and I'm going to create 4 rooms. So you can see now there's rooms down below. I could put the students in the separate rooms to the next there as well. I could have easily done the drawing in the beginning with each where I send each student in. Now this is a very small group. Lost connections, so I don't have them in here anymore. But for the larger group, I will separate people into those breakout rooms. Okay. Last piece to a good lesson is to always end your lesson with a check for understanding where you know you can get every student's attention. That's what the polling question. Okay, so we want to know how many vertices does this polyhedron have? I'm going to go up to tools, click on the polling, and make sure that I have the polling type set to A, B, C, D. Okay, boys, you ready? Let's check for your understanding. How many vertices does the polyhedron below have? Just showing some vertices and playing around with them. I have the settings so students cannot see the other students' answers. Now I'll look at the answers and I'll see if I have the wrong answer, and I say, hey Matt, grab the pen and click on those vertices. You might want to count again. And I'll give them a hint. And boom, now Matt has the right answer. He made the adjustment. If I have a room of 20, 30 students, I can easily go through the list, let them know. Another technique I use pretty often here in this room is I'll wait. I'll give it a 1 minute using the timer if it's a longer problem. And then I'll come back and the kids that have it right become hint givers. And then I turn the chat on, and the hint givers are allowed to drop a hint into the chat box. And then our goal is for everyone to eventually get the right answer. So in this case, it didn't take much of a hint to let Matt know he needed a recount there. And he did. And there he has it. Now, one of them is say, can you put a point on each of the vertices? So boys, let's go ahead and finish up the session by grabbing your pen. And let's put a point on each of the vertices to show our answer. You can also use the circle tool. That makes nice little points as well. Yeah, we're going to mark each of these vertices so that we can count them up. And we'll count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I usually show that everyone has the right answer. Very good. There's the sample lesson. Thank you, boys, for jumping in and helping out and giving a look for everybody that wanted to see a small sample of what it looks like, the interaction going on. You guys did a great job. I'm going to click my emoticon that applause. See, getting your applause. Okay. One last